Good afternoon, everyone. I have this box here in front of me. This was sent to me by Buttrick up at Hidden Harvest Grow Lights. It's a set of 4 here. There are actually 6. I stripped the top 2 off. So I wanted to see if we could cut a couple of these off the top here, and as we get in, I'm going to unfurl a few of these boxes. They're all the same though. It's a new LED light that he has developed for closer range growing. I'll link everything in the description box below, and since it's kind of a far view right here, I'm going to go ahead and bring us closer in with the hands. That first one stripped off there just like this. This is what you're going to want right here. So we're going to get right into this. I'm going to cut this open. This is exactly 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot unboxing of the new all-in-one Spectrum LED grow light. Hidden Harvest lighting with Brad Buttrick. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. All right, as always, safety first. Want to put this thing away here. Make sure nobody gets cut. Being safe, Mom. All right, so let's take a look at what's on the inside here. Oops, if I could get the cardboard to pull back. Obviously, you see have some padding here on the front. Open it up. Let's see what's inside here first. Take a look at the panel. Turn that over here. Wow. Different color spectrum that you can see through here. We got the yellows, the whites, orange. These are going to blast off all these different nanometer wavelengths here. Take a look at that. Right in front there. This seems to be the panel, and it's all one piece. As you can see here, everything is just one solid piece. Very lightweight as well. I could say that this is probably, less than a pound for this here. And as you can see, it has the secure hooks already drilled. You don't have to do any pre-drilling. Those hooks are in 4 areas there, so you can, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4. You can be able to hang this over your plants. Again, take a look at that. We're going to turn this on in just a second, so hold on. All right, what else is inside here? We have some instructions on what was packed as well, in terms of what's included in the box and then how to set up the lights at the end there. Some instructions on the back here on the user's manual. Really simple. 1 page in there. All right, so we do have the cord that comes with this. Is going to plug straight into the side. Obviously, your 3-prong socket. And then what do we have here? Okay, well, it already comes with the hooks, so all you have to do is put them out where you'd like to. And look how easy that pops apart. And then we have the 4 different cables here, and they're coming off the singular cable, and they just drop off like this. So first things first, let's plug it in. Doesn't take but a second here. Okay, so this comes with this. And I'm wondering how bright this is going to be. So I'm going to shield my eyes. So as we plug it in, let's see how bright this is. And if we get a flash here, oh yeah, there we go. As simple as that. Check out the color spectrum. And I will move the box out of the way here. Try not to blind myself. Let's take a look at that. And again, it's going to be pretty easy to hang up. So let's try to hang this thing. I'm going to unplug it quickly, just so I'm not blinding myself while I do this. Turn it right over here. Again, it has a central coupler hang system. So what do we have? How easy is this going to be to snap together? Something just like this, as long as you have a fingernail enough to get in there. 1, like that. What else do we have over here? And they spread out real easy. 2. Now, how long is this really taking me to put this together? And again, you're going to want to have that central pivot point right here as we move this around. So I guess you can 3 here. Do something like this. And 4. I guess I should have sped this up during the, now, as you can see, it's already hanging here. Let's plug it back in. And what do we have here? Voila! Some epic lighting. And how easy was that? You can see the reflection there, pretty good. And what else can we do with this? As I have you here. Hey Brad, thanks. If I run out of my studio lighting, I can always use this as a backup. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. I'll leave all the links below. This is what we're going to use for the indoor grow during this winter with the moringa and a few other vertical tubes inside in Taiwan. And what do you have your plan here as we move into winter of 2019 and 20? See you next time. Bye. And grow solutions just like this are what myself and my co-author Bill Porter talked about in Climate Revolution. We envision indoor agriculture being one of the largest industries to evolve over the next 15 years moving forward into the Grand Solar Minimum. When our outdoor agriculture starts to decline, we're going to need to bring it indoors to keep it safe. Vertical gardening, indoor agriculture. Climate Revolution, the link's in the description box below, and it's another way to support the channel.